Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Now, on the request of my subscribers and most of my students, now I make one new playlist where I will discuss, the what are the latest research topics going on in the various fields, and also I will give my expert view on that particular topic. So, without wasting time, let us start this video, and I hope you will like this video. Just watch this video till end, and if you like it, kindly subscribe, share and like my channel. So let us start. First topic, the very first topic that I choose here, the nuclear reactor and how with the application of AI, artificial intelligence, one can use one can use the algorithms to make this nuclear reactor very efficient. How one can use this nuclear reactor within very efficient way. So before starting to come up to the topic, let us first of all understand the nuclear reactor quickly. So this is a nuclear reactor. I think most of you are familiar with this. Nuclear reactor is one of the nuclear. It is a nuclear power plant basically which generates the energy, and particularly we use it for generating an electricity. So let us very quickly see how its construction. It is consisting of a very isolated chamber, and which is made up of very high quality steel, and it is totally leak proofed. Inside this there is a fuel which is it is shown here as a reactor vessel, where there is a nuclear fuel, uranium or cadmium, uranium or radioactive materials. We are using it here for as a fuel, and there is a controlling rod which is made up of cadmium and boron. These two controlling rods basically controls the nuclear reaction. And there are two types of nuclear reaction. So very quickly we see this. One is what we call fission reaction, and another one is what we call fusion reaction. Basically in nuclear reactor, the fission reaction is taking place, in which one particle, one atom is break down into number of two more atoms, and thus this fission is taking place, and this reaction is very fast. So to control this reaction we use this controlling rod, and this controlling rod has the main of its function, because only these controlling rods are used to control the reaction inside the nuclear reactor. Now there is a hot sodium, liquid sodium is there. Liquid sodium get hot and take the heat from this generated from the nuclear reactor, and then this liquid sodium moves to this this is what we call condense this is what we call the chamber, where it it is used to move this turbine. So once this turbine moves, the electricity generated, and it is then given to the power plant and then supplied to your home. So but another thing is, once this once this hot sodium is this hot sodium is again it is sent to the condenser, where it get chilled with the this tube, with this the cold water, and after that after that it get pumped back into the nuclear reactor. So this is the working of nuclear reactor. We have a little concern with that, but the thing is how to make this efficient with an application of artificial intelligence. This is one of our topic, how we can make the use of artificial intelligence to make this nuclear reaction efficient or optimum. So there are several researches are going on, but I will give I am come up with my own view. So see, this is a game. I think everybody heard about this game. What is this? This is a game which is what we call chain reaction. This is the game which is what we called the chain reaction, and this game is basically used And I think everybody, played this game at least once or twice. In this game, there are several users. There are two basically players which are trying to optimize themselves by putting the dots together, and this kind of the reaction is which is also called this game is also called chain reaction game. So since everybody have in this game, the two players trying to win the game by moving their own plots. So there are lot of cases are generated, and if one can use that cases in a as a database for a machine learning, so they can generate one sort of artificial intelligence machine which uses these patterns to control these roads, and ultimately to controlling this road will leads to the controlling of generation of heat from this nuclear reactor. So ultimately what I want to mention here, chain reaction game is sort of the in mostly almost all of the optimization strategies for the plants or for any machines. We generally use the generally we dependent upon the games, the games that the human being played, because human being when they played with the robots or then there is a sort of database generated, and that database is very useful for making machines and for making accurate machines, but we believe, and that accurate machines or that data set can be used to to regulate or control the actual design. So at the end I will mention it again. This is a nuclear reactor, and with the help of the games and the sets, and those who are willing to do more on this, I can help you out to how to do a PhD or how to do a research work on this particular topic. With this hope, so I hope everybody understand that we can use the data sets or data set which we use generally to play this chain reaction game. We can use the same set of data for making a more optimized data set for controlling these roads and make the heat generation quite efficiently, and because otherwise to control these roads is a very tedious task, and it will require a lot of intelligence and a lot of hard labor or physical labor basically. One person definitely deploy here which is used to control the complex controlling roads. So with this hope, so I hope you understand this, and this is one of the promising topic where across the world, which is most of the researchers are working in this field. So according to me, we can use this the strategies that we use in this chain reaction games to optimize the play. In the same way we can generate a machine which can be useful to control this nuclear reactor. So if anybody of you are interested to work on this field, you may contact me anytime. I will be more happy to help you out. So with this hope, thank you. We will meet soon again in the next topic, in the next video with a new topic. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.